Organ transplantation. Graft types. Historical review. Early, it started with skin, cornea, and bone transplants. Later on, kidney, heart, liver, pancreas, and bone marrow transplants. Recent understanding of the mechanisms of graft rejection plus improvement of the manipulation of the immune response by highly effective immunosuppressive drugs played a great role in successful transplantation results. Transplantation graft types: Autograft, Allograft, Isograft, Xenograft and xenotransplantation, split transplants, and domino transplants. Autograft: a transplant of tissue from one to himself, using surplus means beyond the knees. Surplus tissue having the ability to regenerate, or tissues more desperately needed elsewhere. Examples include the skin graft. It is done by removing the tissue and then treat it or treat the person before returning it, as in stem cell autograft, and uh, storing blood from the patient in advance of a surgery. Allograft. Allo is Greek word meaning other. Transplantation of cells, tissues, or organs to a recipient from a genetically non-identical donor of the same species. The transplant is called an allograft, allogenic transplant, or homograft. Most of the human tissues and organs transplants are allografts. Isograft. Done between two genetically identical individuals, like monozygotic twins. Transplant rejection never occurs between such two individuals. Xenograft and xenotransplantation. A transplant of organs or tissues from one species to another species. It is extremely dangerous. Examples include porcine heart valves, a baboon to a human heart, which failed before, and islet, pancreatic islets, or insular tissue. Split transplant. A donor organ, especially the liver, may be divided between two recipients. Domino transplant. It is done for patients with cystic fibrosis. Replacement of both lungs, replacement of the heart and the lung in block. The healthy recipient's native heart can be transplanted into another patient needing a heart transplant. Also, it is used for a special form of liver transplant in which the recipient suffers from familial amyloidotic polyneuropathy. The liver slowly produces a protein leading to damage of the other organs. Good luck and best wishes.